What's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? Welcome back to another video about Hbar token, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the current price, the price changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph, and what's the future. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.256423 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Other side, if we talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, the last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occur in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive, always positive. I find every time Hedera Hashgraph is a profitable coin for us. Anyways, guys, other side, if we talk about the changes price chart, wow. That's really a huge move of the Hedera Hashgraph, guys. It is time to celebrate, and you know what? A new listing of the Hedera Hashgraph also coming soon. A lot of people, a lot of companies collaborate with the Hedera Hashgraph due to these changes. And guys, possibility that 0.256423 USD dollar will be the price of the Hedera Hashgraph. Anyways, guys, what you think about Hbar? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.